The district's deputy commissioner, faced with an ultimatum from a key cookie outfit to vacate Manipur's LAMKA within 24 hours, asserted to the Indian Express that he cannot abandon the people and vanish. The cookie-dominated LAMKA district witnessed violence on Thursday night following the suspension of a cookie head constable, shown in a video alongside armed village volunteers from the community. In response, the Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum, an influential Cookiezo organization, declared a shutdown in protest against the two deaths. The forum issued a public notice, holding Superintendent of Police Shivanand Surve and DCS Dharun Kumar entirely responsible for the incident. While Surve remained unreachable for comment, Kumar emphasized their commitment to the general public's protection, stating that decisions would be made based on the evolving situation. Kumar, speaking to the Indian Express, highlighted their responsibility as All India service officers who have come from distant places to aid people amid challenging circumstances. Expressing readiness to serve wherever the government deems fit, he underscored the imperative to safeguard the public despite facing adversity. The suspension-induced fury led to a mob of hundreds storming the offices of the Superintendent of Police and the Deputy Commissioner on Thursday night. Security forces retaliated, resulting in the tragic deaths of two individuals, 29-year-old Letlal Khol Gangte and a 15-year-old youth. The failure of the district's top bureaucrats, the DC and SP, to prevent the deaths has raised concerns. The Deputy Commissioner's assertion of serving the general public contradicts the tragic outcome. Critics argue that both officials fell short not only in their moral responsibility but also in fulfilling their administrative and legal duties.